Morning. It is hour 2:18 and we are doing Animeverse together. We got Monty dressed up as
Angel Devil.
It's Monty's second time working a con with me. So far we've had no one. We were working at an Exhibitor booth, so we're not with the artist alley. I realize you probably won't be able to hear me, so I'm gonna put on my mic next. But we just had lunch. We just let the people in, but they're slowly trickling towards the back. We are positioned way in the back by the stage and the voice actors, so we'll see how today goes.
We're also doing a few stamp rallies with some other artists. Were you interested in entering? We have the One Piece Girly Pop stamp rally, the One Piece Polaroid one, and then the Pokemon Valentine one. And then here are your goodies. Thank you. My first two sales of the day were stickers because they're superstar stickers. Let's hope that today continues strong because I need a break table. I need to break table today.
Right now it's about to be 4 o'clock. I haven't had much sales. It's been pretty slow for Friday. We're working on someone's doodle, so I'm going to be coloring it very soon. I'll be showing you guys how it looks like. It took me about 8 minutes to color this bad boy in. She's very cute, of course, because I made it. And I just can't wait for them to see it because they're going to love it. Alright, I am checking in. It is currently 5:30. They're speaking loud on the stage, but it's currently 5:30. I'm so ready to go home. I am tired. Sales have been picking up a little bit, which is nice. I have demolished my snacks. No more Forever One bars. I'm not trying to buy any more food. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like here in the back. It looks like in the back. Yeah, we got a mess going on. We got my shirts, pens, keychains. This is where I'm keeping my sketchbook. Yeah, it's very disorganized in the back. I'm just ready to go home, make dinner, and go to bed. I'm so tired. It's 45. I am packing up to go home. Even though we have 15 minutes left. Oh yeah, we got a sticker right there. Because it is slow. I have not made table yet. We are going to go home.
I can finally take these wings off. My arms are killing me.
Good morning. Today I'm dressed up as Beppo. We have Lamonti as Angel again. Good morning. And we just made our first sale of the day, so I'm very happy about that. So the first sale, they purchased 3 stickers. And I do always have like a sale going on, which is like buy 3, get 1 free. Ooh! I need to curl my lashes. Anyways, I'm Beppo. I'll show you guys how Isaac looks like because he is dressed up as Law. The height difference. Anyways, let's hope that Saturday is a lot better than Friday.
Okay, we've been doing pretty good on sales. It's been steady, a lot better than yesterday. Currently it's 132, and I think my sales have been good. I think today I'm going to break table, which I'm really happy about. I made 2 more doodles. This girl was dressed up as Amy from Sonic, very cute. And then her friend was dressed up as Rouge, the baddie, also from Sonic. So I actually made their doodles from yesterday, so they came by today to get some more done. It makes me so happy. They're going to pick it up here soon, and I will record their reaction. Oh, thank you. Were you doing any of the stamp rallies? They're both so cute, but I think the matcha one's my favorite. Okay. And then with these, there is a protective on it, so you could just take it off whenever you're ready. It'll be $29.23. Want any receipts? Okay, there you go. Thank you. Thank you. I'll put some more tape on that anyways. Thank you. First person to buy my keychain, and I'm so happy. This is the keychain she purchased. It's my Zoro Matcha one, and that makes me so happy because I finally sold the keychain. Took me all day to figure out how to connect my mic. It took me all day to figure out how to connect my mic, and I finally got it. But anyways, we did break even with cost of goods, expenses, and the way the table costed. My placement wasn't the best for this weekend, but we're making do, and we're just so happy that we finally hit our goal. And that way we could just focus on making profit for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to try to dress up as Hachi from the anime and manga Nana, and I'm excited for that. And after today, we're going to go have our Valentine's Day. Since it is Valentine's Day, we're going to go to K-pop and Korean barbecue, and I'm just so excited to try it because I haven't had that. And low-key, I was craving both, but I couldn't decide. And we're lucky enough to have that place. Hello. I'm tired. It is currently 6:49. We're about to head out soon. So what we do with my booth is we actually flip it over. so that way nobody can really see anything. It is a little nuisance since my booth is a little tall. I'm gonna show you guys. Excuse me, love. Yeah. So this is my love bug over here, and this is our booth. Yeah, all of this, we're gonna flip it, rotate it 180 degrees. And honestly, it just makes it easier to like pack up and go. Okay, let's go. We are going home now because we're not going home. We're actually going to go pick up a dessert for Isaac for Valentine's Day. I got a little cookie cake, so you're going to see that. And then we're going to have some very yummy dinner. And this is a print I got from, I think their name is Serially. I don't know. It was a very cute name. I'll like put their little Instagram right here so you guys follow them. It's Gear 5 Luffy with his little friends. So cute. Hey, Isaac is Lucy from Just Rosa. I'm Nana Komatsu Hachi from Nana. Today is day 3. It is currently 11:09. They did change the hours for today. So originally it started at 9:30 and now they're starting at 10:30. It's going to be ending at 5. So it is a much shorter day. We're happy that we'll be able to get out sooner. I already had 2 sales today, so that's been really nice. I made some reels and TikToks. I uploaded those because I don't know. I really like how my costume came out. It was very last minute because I really don't have that much cosplay costumes, but I knew I had enough accessories and clothing to pull off one of the Nanas. So I went with that. I'm gonna go see some of my friends that are dressed up too. I'll try to do more check-ins today because I know the past 2 days, my check-ins are a little bit more minimal, but today I'm going to try to be more here with the camera. So, oh my God, look out! It's so cute. It's so cute. Good morning. Okay, well, actually, good afternoon because now it's 12:39. I've been doing pretty good with sales, which has been making me happy. My friend Emma's about to pull up, so we're going to walk together here in a bit. We are doing a few art trades with some artists here. I'm going to be trading my Chicago print for an Uta print, and I'll show you that print later. It's so cute, and I'm excited. Today's been pretty good with sales compared to Friday. So I'm happy because today is just all the sales that I make today is just profit. So anyways, I'll check back in later when I'm with Emma. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I was making 2 doodles and I'm waiting for the girls to show up as well. This time I am going to try to record their reactions because last time I didn't get to. But here are the doodles. I really like this one better because of because of the outfit she was wearing. It was like this chunky cardigan. I love making doodles at anime cons just because I get to draw up like their cosplays and it's very cute. I'm wearing lashes for like the first time in forever and I feel like such a baddie. So I just got done making a couple's doodle. It's very cute. They wanted Pomperin and they were cosplaying as Pomperin. I'm going to record their reaction. I'm going to have Isaac record it. So give me a second and we'll get that. I also purchased a Jollibee Supremacy sticker sheet. We have Usahana, Cinnamon Roll, Hiromi, Pomperin, and Pachaco. We also have Gudetama. This is one of my favorite sticker sheets I've made just because I'm a sucker for Jollibee. So we're going to pack that in there. So the first thing they see is that. Pack that up. Yeah, of course. And now we're actually going to pack up this order too. So they ordered a Virgo sticker, a Magacarp sticker, Ditto Jello, and Aquarius. And whenever I do my events, I always sell my stickers at $5. I always have 2 deals going on where it's buy 3, get 1 free, which incentivizes folks to get another one. And we also do a 10% off your whole order if you follow me. So here's this order. Cute. And we're about to record the reaction. All right, there you guys go.
Oh, that is amazing.
It's amazing. Of course. Look at her shirt. She says wearing Pomperin too. They really liked it. And I'm really happy they really liked it. Now I'm probably going to go browsing here in a bit and leave Isaac to man the booth. Okay, Emma has arrived and she looks freaking adorable. I'm going to show you guys how she looks. Ah! Say hi, Emma. So adorable. She's Princess Yue. We're going to go walk around and I'm going to go make my art trade prints. Okay, it is actually very loud. It's 4:47 right now. I just re-upped for next year. Since we only have 10 minutes left, we're going to go ahead and pack up. This is going to be the end of me being here just because it's so loud. But yeah, we're going to go pack up and then have dinner. Oh, I also made another doodle. Very cute.
So cute.
And I'll post the reaction right here because it's very cute too.